Maybe next time.
Oh, thanks anyway. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time I won't embarrass you in front of your friends.
Maybe next time I'll rip out his larynx, but today I chose to do my job as manager of this building.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, sir. It's right. Maybe next time.
Really nice of you to have us over. Maybe next time you can come to our house.
Absolutely.
You're not doing the heist with us. You stay here.
Maybe next time, Chapel.
That Hank and Maurice were still struggling.
No more like you're still struggling. So maybe next time I have you committed.
I wish you were coming with us.
Me too. Maybe next time.
Hey, maybe next time, little critters. Good luck with the plague and rabies and everything.
Don't push your luck, fat cat.
Maybe next time we can dry hump without our clothes on.
I'm pretty sure I'd like that.
Maybe next time you go to the hospital, you'll take us along with you.
Perhaps you could remind me.
Well, I'll make a note of it. Anything else I can do for you?
Excuse me? I'd like to make a request.
I just finished my show, but maybe next time, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. I got more studying done this week than I have in months. Maybe next time I ask you to commit a crime, you won't fight me on it.
You're gonna report me.
I'm not gonna report anybody. But maybe next time, try not to have such a stick up your ass about being asked out.
Hey, Christopher! Strip down! Come join us.
Maybe next time, Deshaun.
Thank you. I gotta go. I'm sorry, I gotta take my dog out.
Okay.
But thank you.
Okay. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
Hi, Bart. We missed you at family dinner. Maybe next time.
Where do you think you're going? And in that dress?